Thing is personal. People prefer tube lights, people prefer yellow lights. So if you see the new houses, the trend is in with the lights which are more of daylight. If you were to follow Suzanne Khan, if you were to follow the international interior designers and architects, most of them prefer more of white light where you feel as if you're outdoors and stuff like that. And that's an idea which kind of helps also keep your energy levels up, and you don't have to go out much and you don't feel tired and stuff. So incorporate these. 2025, I'm going to do this tomorrow probably because I'm kind of not feeling that great around my teeth and stuff, but nevertheless, it should help. And try and include greenery. Try and include, try and include pieces of accessories which look fresh. Keep your beds really clean. And if you have old consoles, and if you have, in India and abroad, and in vintage properties, they have all these old elements of furniture and stuff. You got to kind of restore them or color them and stuff, and look after them, because the more cleaner the house, the more stable you feel, the more organized and better you feel. And of course, in your table sheets and your bed covers, you could include colors like brown. You can have golden shades, and you can have more of whites. You can have light pink, you can have light greens. These are the colors which kind of keep you stable and calm and stuff. And any which ways, when there are too many people, then the table starts to look a little cluttered and stuff like that. So single tone, or probably just a double tone color is advised. And that's a place where mostly people are enjoying and having their breakfast and dinners and stuff. So it's a good idea to kind of have it cleaned, or maybe you can have a glass top or something, and you can include nature between the glass and between the wood. You can probably have some nice elements. Maybe you can have a flora design, maybe you can have some prints running in. Maybe you can have a leaf. I shared this many months back. So all these are easily doable and stuff, and rethink on the cleanliness elements and stuff. So all of this helps. And avoid dark shades and turn your backs to those, because only in five-star hotels or premium luxury properties those feel good and stuff. But looking at the weather and everything, color is highly recommended, and it's going to be the in thing for at least 2024 and 2025. Rest later. Thank you for your messages and your emails. jkapani@gmail.com, Justine Kapani .im@gmail.com, and Justine Kapani office@gmail.com. Feel free to write in and keep in touch. And also, kitchen is an important element where people spend a lot of time. So try and keep your kitchens also extremely clean. And if you don't have any partitions and stuff, so the fashion is to have blinds, or chicks as they call it, which kind of blocks off the energy flow and the light and everything. And if your bedrooms are too close, or if your workspace is too close to a kitchen, and you don't want to hear the sound and everything, you can probably have noise proof glass and stuff like that. So all of that helps. And have a lot of greenery. And wherever there's cooking happening, have green color. Wherever you're sitting, have orange, and have green, and colors, because they kind of add energy, and of course they give joy and everything to people and stuff. Okay, and they help you relax. Dark colors will make you feel anxious and low and stuff. A lot of people make the mistake of having maroon or dark blue sheets and stuff. It looks only good in movies and stuff like that, but normally it's not advised. You're sleeping in a room, you have to have light shades, because it helps you kind of relax and feel fresh and kind of unwind even better. Rest of it is all personal and stuff. Okay, it's a personal choice, to each one his own. So love and luck, and take care and have fun and have a blast, and enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.